While you're not exclusively together and yes, we are together, we are in a committed relationship, go, maglandi ka.
Talaga namang nagkakaproblema ang situationship when one already feels more emotionally invested to the other person.
Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na mas importante sa'yo yung get to know the person first, kahit matagal na, fuck whatever society says.
Pag masaya ako dahil sa ibang tao,
Yes.
mas lalo kang makakapagbigay ng 100% mo. Kasi you won't feel that you're shortchanged every time you're giving something up. Welcome to another episode of Talk Sheets with
Ice
and Liza, where we strip down and bear it all under the covers.
Yes, where we talk about love, identity, and all the shit that matters.
For tonight's episode, pag-uusapan natin ang messy but super relatable topic in modern dating, situationships.
So wait lang.
During our time,
So wait, ito ba yung MU natin before?
more like it's complicated. Kasi when you say mutual understanding, you actually agree. Pero hindi, situationship din yun eh. You agree that you're not together yet and you don't want to define.
So kumbaga,
So,
situationship is the umbrella term.
Yes, because in situationships, pwedeng yung couple or pwedeng yung mag-partner, they just don't want to define the relationship because they're both afraid to commit. Pero pwedeng din na yung isa umaasa or afraid to commit, yung isa nag-expect na ng future or parang natatakot na ma-reject.
Okay, sige. So sabi nila, ito rin yung situationship.
Yeah.
A situationship is a romantic or sexual relationship that lacks formal labels, so yes, commitment or clear future plans, existing in the gray area between casual dating and a committed relationship.
Diba? So, pwede kayong pinag-usapan ninyo na, okay, wala mo ng commitment but that's a mutual understanding. Pero pwede rin yung it's complicated, wag natin i-define yung relationship. Wag tayo maglagay ng labels. Diba? So, it creates more ambiguity.
Yeah.
But that is where they are. So, yun. Kaya siguro nagkaroon itong situationship.
So well, the big question is, diba, can a situationship turn into a real relationship? Kasi nga, bawat situationship needs a DTR. Diba?
Alam mo yung ibig sabihin na?
Define the relationship. O, diba? Kailangan yung pag-usapan eh.
Yes. Every situationship leads eventually into a DTR. Pero once na na-reach yung DTR na yon or define the relationship, kaya natatakot din yung mga tao doon sa DTR. Kasi pwedeng, pag pinag-usapan nyo na siya, you will lose that person or you'll end up actually moving forward into a more committed relationship.
Tapos hindi naman masyadong
ang dami
handa.
kong times in my life na talagang nandyan ako. Situationship yata halos lahat ng naging relasyon ko. Kaya mabibilang ko na in all of my relationships, and of course, they have been a number. When you say, sino yung mga naging official boyfriend mo or official sobrang konti lang nila kasi halos lahat ng relationship ko situationship.
Bakit kaya? Interesado ba kayo malaman to?
Kasi nga, I have very low self-esteem before. Takot ako na ma-reject. So parang ako, as long as okay pa ako na, okay, wag muna natin i-define. I'm so afraid of rejection. So, if I'm enjoying the company of a person, and mas gusto ko kasi yung ako yung nagpapakita ng pagmamahal kesa sila yung nagpapakita ng pagmamahal sa akin. So, pag sila yung mas mahal ako, nabobore ako.
Kaya tingnan mo ako, sa'yo sakto lang ako eh. Hindi ako masyado nagpapakita ng kahit ramdam mo kasi baka mabore ka eh.
Ikaw, do you find yourself always in situationships?
Hindi, dapat ako sa akin, committed tayo eh.
Clear siya.
Clear dapat. Oo. Ano ko eh, parang magsasayang ako ng oras na hindi ako sigurado. Bakit? Wow! Anyway, welcome to He Said, She Said, kung saan natin sasagutin yung mga questions sa pinadala ng ating mga talk sheeters. So ito una nilang tanong. What if one person wants to be official but the other doesn't? Ano ang dapat gawin doon?
Ayun na nga. So yun yung kailangan tayong makarating dun sa DTR.
Pero yun nga eh, kung hindi talaga ready yung isa, hindi talaga ready yung isa. Ako, sa totoo lang, mas red flag yun Ano? Dahil lang ready ka, tapos kahit alam mo yung isa hindi ready, mahirap yun. I'd rather na,
Yeah, but in nowadays, because of modern dating, na-normalize yung, ayoko lang siyang lagyan ng label or ayoko lang dun sa feeling na parang I'm being forced to commit. Kahit na wala namang third party. 'Di ba? Minsan, 'di ba, meron kang mga sarili pang issues, I need to heal, I need to feel that, hindi na pipigilan yung freedom ko just because I enjoy your company. So, I wanna enjoy lang tayong dalawa, pero
Sinabi mo rin sa akin yan. Sinabi niya sa akin yan.
actually, feeling ko expert ako sa situation.
Oo. Naalala ko kasi that time na we saw each other again, I was kind of talking to another girl. So parang nagigilty ako kasi nga ako si Mr. Dapat isa lang ganyan. So but we started talking again, ganyan. Tapos alam ko rin naman na I started feeling things na for Liza. Pero nagigilty talaga ako. So one time nasa UCC kami, nasa East. Sabi niya, okay, here's the thing. I like you.
Naks!
Modern
woman.
Sabi ko, I like you,
I like
ganyan.
you.
But, parang, parang hindi ka, we're both not ready for a
No, look, I like you and I know that you're going out with another girl. So, right now, I am not ready for a relationship
Yeah.
either. So you can go out with her, you can go out with me, walang kaso. 'Di ba? And then when we're both ready, then let's talk again and see if
Wala
this is
kang
something...
ganyan sinabi.
Ha?
Wala kang sinabing when we're both ready. Hanggang doon lang yun. Huwag ka magdagdag ng false narrative.
Bakit? Umuo ka naman.
Siyempre, kinilig ako. Sabi ko, wow. So modern. I love it. I feel so foggy.
You feel so pursued.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Is it okay to flirt with others while in a situationship?
Of course.
Oo. I mean, that's the thing. That's the sacrifice.
Yes,
Diba?
di mo din hindi. Although, yun nga minsan kasi, hindi naman dahil, alam mo yung meron na mutually exclusive sila, exclusive sila, pero ayaw pa rin nilang i-define kung ano yung relationship nila na tayo ba, pero exclusive tayo may ganun
Ang labo nun. I mean, akin, kung ayaw mo, wag mo.
Ayaw lang nila yung word
Ang
na
labo
tayo.
nun. Ako, hanggat hindi kayo,
Where are
hanggat
we? Where are we in
maglandi
this
kayo,
relationship?
maglandi.
Ha? Ano?
Ay, kung hanggat walang sinasabing maglandi kayo. Kasi di ba parang ganito lang yan binibigay mo yung dapat mong ibigay sa isang tao na supposedly for an exclusive relationship, right? Pero ayaw niya mag-commit sa'yo. Ayaw niya magsabi na, okay, exclusive tayo. Pero binibigay mo, what's gonna make this person pa want to be with you ng exclusive? So hindi. I mean, while you're not exclusively together and yes, we are together, we are in a committed relationship, go, maglandi ka.
Wow, talagang dito mo talaga mararamdaman yung double standard, no? Kasi nga...
Paano double standard yun? Hindi naman necessarily para sa babae, para sa lalaki.
Well, ikaw, congratulations kasi kayang-kaya mo magganyan sa mga girls. Yung mga girls, lagi sila yung
Sandali,
parang,
excuse me. Sinabi ko ba na sa lalaki lang sinasabi ko? No. If, di ba, babae ka, lalaki ka, if you feel like you're... No, it's for everyone.
Ano?
Sinabi ko, hindi siya pang lalaki lang.
Kaya naman.
No, kasi sabi mo, anong double standard doon? It can go either way.
Na ano?
Kahit babae, kung na-feel niya hindi makapag-commit si lalaki sa kanya, go flirt.
Yeah, pero for the most part, I mean, yes, that's the ideal situation, but I don't know if there are women here who will agree with me
Sos, madami
na for
na.
the most part talaga, si girl yung parang doesn't wanna be entertaining other guys kasi especially pag gusto talaga nila yung guy na yon or gusto nila yung karelasyon na yon, hoping lang sila na kasi for the most part it's always the guy that's dilly-dallying.
Love, hindi na rin. Ang dami ko nakikita sa Facebook
Na ano?
na mga ganyan-ganyan na empowered na rin ng mga babae.
Yeah, ngayon siguro, 'di ba?
ngayon naman
Pero
natin
before,
pinag-uusapan.
it's always the girls na parang sige, I don't wanna pag nalaman na may iba, mas lalong feeling nila ma-jeopardize yung chances nila to actually be with this guy. I mean, I'm speaking from experience, okay? I allowed myself to be in that situation na I'm hoping na if this person sees me or this person sees, what kind of a girl I am, na parang I have the qualities that, he would be looking for in a woman, then, so I don't even dare be in another relationship. Although I know in my mind na parang pwede. Pero the reality is, you have those conversations where parang, kahit hindi siya defined, pero, let's not find ourselves like dating other people, Pero, ideally nga, yeah, you can.
Yeah. At saka sinabi ko, hindi siya double standard because it can be for a woman or a man or everything in between. Ito naman. Are situationships a sign that modern relationships are more about vibes than values?
Yeah. Kasi parang, yun nga na-normalize yung we need to vibe. Na okay lang na hindi kailangang i-define yung relationship. Dati kasi, di ba, yung mga sarili nating fears, fear of label, ganon, hindi naman natin, dati it's a sign of weakness or it's a sign na parang, lagi siyang negative.
At saka dati may meron. Siguro, I mean, if kung uso na yung situationship nun, baka nga mas doon ako. Alam mo yun, more than, kasi parang before talaga meron na hindi, dapat, you are in a relationship.
Yes,
Parang meron siyang, status na.
Yeah. Ngayon, na-normalize yung okay lang, hindi natin kailangang i-define. And actually, kaya rin ngayon, mas nade-delay yung age ng people getting married. Talagang ngayon paliit na ng paliit. Dati, 16 years old pa lang, kinakasal na yung couple. Kasi nga, kailangan ma-define mo yung relationship. Kailangan clear siya. Nag-sex na tayo. Dapat tayo na.
Kailangan natin mag-sex, magpakasal na tayo.
Yes. Di ba? Pero ngayon, in modern dating,
it's more to get to know the person.
Yes.
Kung talagang you get along well, especially even before, diba, the living together. It was frowned upon, but ako honestly, I would really suggest that it's important for you to know how to live with this person first before you get married. Kasi once you get married, wala nang yan.
And valid na yung reason mo na I'm afraid of commitment. So hindi siya negative or hindi siya seen as parang kawalan mo. It becomes you are seen as less dahil wala ka pang capacity to really commit. So dahil ngayon na normalize na pwede yon, mas marami na ngayon na nasa situationships.
And ako, sa totoo lang, whatever floats your boat. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng tao na mas importante sa'yo yung get to know the person first, kahit matagal lang, then fuck whatever society says.
And as long as you both are clear
I think
and transparent sa boundaries ninyo. Kasi talagang namang nagkakaproblema ang situationship when one already feels more emotionally invested to the other person. Yun ay parang feeling na niya na neglect siya. May mga umuoo ng grabe doon. Diba? Parang mas yung feeling niya parang, teka lang, ano pa, may pupuntahan ba to? I'm emotionally investing pero wala naman ako nakukuha. Parang wala naman future na binibigay sa akin. And yun nga, the other person kasi, in a situationship, magkaiba sila na expectation. Yung isa, nag-i-invest siya, so it leads to a future. Etong isa naman, andun siya sa, wait lang.
Enjoy lang tayo.
Enjoy lang tayo. Ayoko ng commitment. So
I think yun, important na mapag-usapan. So, salamat sa mga talk sheeters natin na nagpadala ng kailang mga tanong. So, ngayon, magbibingo tayo. Pero iba to sa bingo alam ko
happens natin. So, in our situationship bingo, may bingo card tayo dito at lalagyan natin ng X marks ang mga situationship traits na nagawa or ginawa na sa atin. So, sino kaya ang bibingo sa atin dalawa?
Malamang
Pili ko
ikaw.
talaga ako. Alright. Being called best friend but feels romantic. Ikaw lagi sa'yo yan. Lahat ng tao best friend mo pero iba na yung best friend.
Bingo card ko to
Texting but never meeting up. Yes. Shows up unexpectedly. Yeah, I've done it.
No introduction to friends, family.
No introduction to friends and family. Yes.
Talks about the future but never commit. Liza.
Talks about the future but
na
never
ba sa akin
commit.
to? Hindi. Sliding into DMs randomly.
Oo, kaya ano to ito talks about the future but never commit. Paasa.
Ginawa, naisip akong ginawa sa
Lalaki. Takes hours to reply to...
Teka, sandali, ang bilis mo sumagot.
Okay.
Ang dami namang ex nung isa mo. Parang galit na galit ka dyan. Sliding into DMs randomly.
Ano yung sliding into DMs random?
Bigla lang magte-text, gano'n? Ako or siya?
Ang biglang nag-message sa akin.
Ghosted for a few days.
Oh, kaya nga favorite ko yung book na You're Not That Into Him Either. Kasi yung He's Not That Into You, ito yung parang ginigising ka talaga ng mga tao na parang, hoy, type mo tong babae, tong lalaking to. Ginawa niya to sa'yo, didn't call you for days, he's not that into you. Yan, ito mismo mga
Alam mo,
ginawa
nahihirapan
niya.
ako. Kasi yung mga terms dito is for modern dating. Yung mga before, putragis, parang wala pang mga,
Ano?
mga DM, wala pang mga ganun.
Easy call, ganun. Beep. Uses K, bye, or LOL as emotional responses. Oh my God.
Nandun pa rin ako sa sliding into DMs randomly. I think na-ghost naman na ako.
So, I will interpret ito sa mga dati kung hindi K, bye, or LOL, yung mga tipong...
Nag-judge speak ka ba nun sa text? pero yung pangalan mo may H. Liza. Leezah.
Yun.
Nakatulong ba
situationship
yun? Nakatulong ba yun?
Tawag sa akin ni Abel doon, ano ba yan? May karelasyon ka na namang Tamagotchi.
Itong
Long
takes hours to
distance.
reply to serious messages, si Liza to sa akin.
Ano?
So, situationship pala tayo.
Hindi kailangan ng situationship para gawin ko to. Takes hours to reply to serious messages. Yeah.
Alam mo, hindi ko na matandaan. Uses
Only talks
K
at
by
night.
L.
Yeah. Scene zone left on red.
Hindi ako makarelate, promise.
Eh di ikaw na. Okay. Ikaw na ang... Ano ba yan? Nakaka-insecure naman. Parang feeling ko ako.
Hindi kasi nga,
Saan
iba...
ka talagang baba ng SSPC mo dati? Buti na
Na
lang.
iniisip, baka pero hindi ko
pero
matandaan
okay,
eh.
ginawa ko rin talaga to. Gives you attention inconsistently. I've done it.
Alam mo.
Touches on flirty topics, but denies romantic intent. Oh my God. Ano yan?
Posts about you but never mentions your name. Paano kunyari pinagkakautangan
Alam mo
ka
dati
kaya
pa,
pinost
meron
ka?
ako
Kaya hindi lang mention yung pangalan mo kasi may utang sa'yo.
may kilala akong ganito. Posts about you, but never mentions your name. Kaibigan natin.
Sino?
Hindi ikaw. Ikaw naman, it's not about you.
Sabi mo kaibigan natin eh.
Oh,
Hindi sana
pero-
kaibigan mo.
Hindi, pero sila, nagpo-postan sila sa isa't isa, pero hindi nila binabanggit yung pangalan ng isa't isa. Kunwari, friends lang sila.
Kilala ko na.
Plan something romantic, but cause it just hanging. Oh my God, this happens to me all the time. Kaya ako maasa eh. Tapos biglang sasabihin sa'yo, well, we're just hanging out. Shit. Ouch. Hindi naman ako pangit, no? Bakit nangyari to sa akin dati?
Dali na yan.
Mixed signals, hot and cold behavior. Parang,
Baka may
parang
lagnat.
Ako to.
Baka may lagnat. Ako tong prefers hanging out alone rather than in public. Pero hindi dahil kinakahiya ko siya. Dahil lang, ayoko umalis.
Prefers hanging out
ang dami-dami
alone
tao.
rather than- Oh my God. I remember pa. Shit.
I remember shit.
Like, I would be the one to like, ako pa yung napupunta sa guy. Nagda-drive ako all the way to like, probinsya. Tapos,
I thought I was special. Mas malayo pa pala yung pinuntahan mo. Ako
mas
Bulacan
malayo.
lang.
Oo, mas malayo pa dun. Tapos feeling ko, pag hindi ko ginawa yon, hindi ko mahal tong taon to. Grabe, may problema talaga ako dati.
Okay na. May naalala na akong tao. May naalala na akong tao.
Buti lang talaga. Okay na talaga tayo. God. Emotional investment.
Shit, okay. Ang dami ko na. Bigla ko may naalalang tao.
Ano ba? Lahat na yata.
Excuse me.
Since I miss you, but avoids defining the relationship. Oh my God, meron pa nga let's fuck eh.
O, ayan na.
As in, yung parang booty call talaga, na parang, shit, dumating na ba
Ayun
ako
na,
sa
dumami
ganitong
na ako.
level?
Dumami na ako.
Buti na lang, wala na talaga ako sa situationship ngayon kasi blackout talaga eh.
Congrats. Parang happy ako na hindi ako nanalo this time. Kasi hindi pa naman siya tapos
Shows up
eh.
late or cancels at the last minute. Oh, ikaw to. Ginawa mo to sa akin. Kinancel niya. Okay, magkikita kami. We were in, I was in UP. We were supposed to see each other buong araw. So, excited ako. Ito yung parang kakauwi ko pa lang sa Pilipinas. Sabi ko, oh my God, okay, sige, let's see if I can find closure in this relationship or explore
Kasi yun
kung
ang
ano
problema
ba.
sa'yo, closure kagad yung hinahanap mo sa
Hindi,
akin.
okay, tumigil ka ha. Kasi nagkita kami, hapon talaga yon. Okay, I will never forget kasi ang dami kong ginawang mga gimmick. So, nasa UP talaga ako, nag-aantay ako. Ina, hindi na yata ito dadating, hindi nag-message sa akin.
Hindi, sa Eastwood tayo magkikita.
Wait lang. Umuwi ako sa bahay, okay?
Bakit na siya?
Okay, pero hindi ko sinabi sa kanya na umuwi ako sa bahay. I pretended that I was out, okay? Tapos nasa bahay na ako. Biglang sabi niya, sorry, hindi na tayo magkikita kasi I have to pick up this girl. Sabi ko, ay, so talagang pinili niya yung babaeng yun over me. Okay, fine. Sige. Eh, hindi naman niya alam. Hindi niya alam na nasa bahay na ako. Tapos nag-text siya, ay, hindi na pala siya nagpasundo. Available na pala ako. Nasaan ka? Siyempre ako, nasa Eastwood. So, dali ako sumakay ng kotse.
Hindi lang yun. Sandali. May excuse ka pa.
Shut up. Nag-drive ako papuntang Eastwood. Okay? Tapos, sabi niya, oh, sige, magkita tayo ako. Sige, magkita tayo sa UCC. Ito yung, nasan ka? Nasa Globe. Nagbabayad lang ako. Pero hindi totoo. Nagdadrive ako simula bahay hanggang Eastwood. Tapos, pagdating ko sa Eastwood,
Kaya pala pawis na pawis ka.
dumaan ako sa UCC. Sabi niya, oh, bakit pawis ka? Ha? Naano ko sa escalator. I pretended that I was home. I pretended that I was still out just so that kasi eto yan, ni-cancel niya ako last minute. Yan, gawain mo yan. Kita mo, shit, grabe, tanda ko na nangyari pa rin to sa akin.
Naalala mo yun nung sinabi ko, nag-usap tayo, nasan ka? Tapos sabi mo, wala ka, tapos nakita ka sa taping. Naalala mo yun? Nasakita ka ng kasama yung boyfriend mo. Hindi mo man lang sinabi sa akin. Huwag kang magmalinis, Lisa Dino. Hindi ka kalinisan.
Bakit?
Kung makaganon-ganon ka sa akin, parang...
Nakalimutan ko lang sabihin sa kanya nun. Wala pang text nun.
Ano wala pang text nun? Tinext mo nga ako nun eh. Papupunta ka ng ng Bulacan. May text na nun. May text na nun. Hindi ka mataas kanina?
Hindi, nag-explain lang ako.
nag-explain lang
Okay,
ako.
yung pagkaka-explain ko dapat nga you feel good about it eh.
Hanap sa
Diba?
gaslighting ang pucha. Kaya
Imagine
nag-gaslight.
mo, ginawa ko talaga to sa kanya. Shows up last minute, shows up late, ginawa niya sa akin yan. Cancels at the last minute. Ako, ginawa
bakit?
niya sa akin.
Sino pinagtataguan mo nun dati sa Santa Lucia?
Bahaba pa buhok mo doon. Hindi ka pa cute. Hindi ka pa cute nun eh.
Naka-bell bottom ka pa nun. Tsaka baby tee. Tas ang taas-taas ng sapatos. Hindi ko rin kagandahan dati.
Iisip ko sino yung nagtawag sa akin best friend pero kami, may something.
Dami kasi.
Mixed signals lagi. Oh, sige na, ako na. Oh. Wow! Wow.
Oh.
Panalo ko.
Oh, pakita mo.
Oh, dalawa lang.
Ako,
Kasi ako hindi ako pinost eh.
so ako, 1, 2, 3. Oh, panalo ka. Ako, 3.
Oo, dalawa lang.
Congrats.
Thank you. I'm a situationship queen. I'm not happy about this.
Di ba you like winning? Nalo ko.
Hindi, kasi, well, okay, I don't want to judge kasi I think a lot of people are in these relationships. Yung parang, not because of anything. It's so easy nga kung it's because takot sila ma-reject o kaya talagang there's another, they are involved with another person. Pero yung talagang takot ka talaga na alam mo sa puso mo na pag binaring up mo yung topic na yon, hindi niya na itutuloy yung relationship. Gustong-gusto mo siya. So, you'd rather sacrifice
Buti na lang pala
the feeling.
yung relationship natin.
Wait lang. Huwag ka maingay. You'd rather sacrifice or you'd rather endure the feeling of not knowing kung kayo kesa mawala siya sa'yo. Yun eh.
Oh.
Nangyayari talaga siya sa akin lagi before.
Pero parang mas complicated ngayon, no? Parang honestly ngayon, parang I don't really see myself like, if I were younger, parang I'd be,
Partida kasi ay sigera siya eh. 'Di ba? Mas siya talaga yung hinahabol ng marami. Merong mystic about you, 'di ba? Meron kang may status ka love eh. 'Di ba? Meron pang bagay, kumbaga tumayo ka lang at dahil yung nakapaligid sa yung mundo is mga kanta mo, napapa-inlove mo mga tao, wala kang ginagawa. Kahit nga hindi ka mabuting tao, akalain nila mabuting tao ka dahil sila, affected sila ng kanta mo.
Sandali lang paki-disclaimer lang yun
Hindi ko sinasabing ikaw yun.
Ako yung pinag-uusapan may kanta, may mundong ganito, bigla ka hindi ka mabuting
Hindi, halimbawa.
Minsan kasi klaruhin mo yung thoughts mo.
Hindi ko ibig sabihin, hoy, hindi mabubuting tao po si Ice, pero...
Salamat
No, I mean, hindi. Sabi ko, hindi. Mabuting tao. May period yun. Ano ba? Hindi. Mabuting tao po si Ice. Yun siya. Hindi, okay.
Ikaw ang downfall ko.
Hindi. Ibig ko lang sabihin, whether mabait siya or hindi. Hindi. Kasi hindi na lang si Ice. Parang ano to parang naaalala ko to sa isang court hearing nangyari. Gumamit ng totoong tao na pahamak. Okay. Okay. Erase. Kita nga isama yan. Okay.
Hindi, sama niyo yun.
Okay, wait. So for people who are famous and popular and their celebrity status precedes them, gets mo? Parang more than makilala sila sa tunay na nilang pagkatao, meron ng attraction, meron ng connection, meron ng admiration. It's so easy for you to like choose and be in a committed relationship compared sa mga tao na they really have to work towards, being with the person they really want to be with. Especially sa babae. Kasi nga, we're left, ang mga babae, kung sino yung nanligaw sa atin. I mean, alam kong medyo modern na rin ngayon, you go for who you want, pero exception siya eh. Yung norm is kung sino yung lumapit sa'yo, kung sino may gusto sa'yo. So now, for example, yung choices mo, wala ka talagang gusto dun sa 3 choices mo na yon. Kailangan mo mamili dun sa 3 or pwedeng hindi mo sila pipiliin. Tapos yung gusto mo, siya yung mag-aantay ka na piliin ka niya. So hindi ko alam kung naintindihan niyo yun pagdating sa babae. Kasi si guy, kahit pa i-reject mo ko, they can still go for the girl that they want.
That's
kasi,
not always true.
Yes, kahit na i-reject sila, pero mas malaki mas malaki yung chances that they will end up with a girl they want because sila yung nagpa-pursue.
Magpa-poll tayo talk cheaters kung tama ba yung sinasabi niya.
Okay. Sige. Next.
Kasi feeling ko hindi talaga
Totoo yun, nabasa ko yun sa libro. Do you think situationships are sometimes a safe way to experience love without fully committing, and is that healthy or risky?
Well, I think it's healthy if, again, you are on the same page. Mm-hmm. It's risky if the other person is on a different page and the other person is on a different page. Mm-mm. Kasi I think yun lang naman yung risk dun eh. Mm-mm. Kasi 'di ba, minsan nga masaya pa nga yun na okay, you guys are getting all the benefits of being in a situationship without the negative parts of it.
Okay, when do you say that you are in a situationship versus you are in a casual dating phase? Because I really feel every relationship goes into a period of casual dating and maybe brief situationship before that is defined. I mean,
I
that's,
think, okay.
it's a natural progression.
I think yung sa casual dating, hindi sila naka-necktie. Naka-t-shirt lang. Alam mo, sa totoo lang, yung mga terms na yan, talagang medyo ano ko dyan. Kasi siguro hindi ko...
Humble brag.
Hindi.
Nasabihin na naman niya na, hindi ako kasi nanliligaw
Hindi! Tas, hindi, ibig ko sabihin kasi nga, laging parang, if kunyari, I like this girl, yung pag-pursue ko sa tao, or pag-pursue niya sa akin, ano siya parating papunta ng something, hindi yung para, enjoyin lang natin to. Wala akong ganun talaga.
Wow, to be Isigera, no? Grabe.
No, I think it's very important if you're confident in knowing what you want.
Lucky you. Hindi nga siya, okay, hindi ka bagay sa topic na to.
Alika, Dom,
Kasi
ikaw na lang.
hindi mo talaga na-experience yung pinagdadaanan ng maraming girls. Karamihan sa amin, ganyan, na may gusto akong guy, tapos yung guy, hindi pa sure kung gusto ko or hindi. So ngayon, gusto ko tong guy na to Hindi pa siya ready. So, okay, labas-labas, sex. Tapos, okay pa ako. You have to convince yourself that I'm also okay. I also don't want to commitment anyway. Tapos biglang, hindi mo na kaya kasi, boom! Nakita mo siya may kasamang ibang babae. Oh. So parang, shit, kailangan namin pag-usapan. Kasi, baka piliin na niya yun over me. You know what I mean? Ikaw kasi, hindi mo na-experience yan kasi nga, baliktad. I choose you, and then, you're with a girl. Ganon.
Grabe naman yung I-choose you. Grabe naman yung parang nakapila lang sila, ikaw.
Hindi naman. Kung sino man yung girl...
Pinapatotoo mo yung masamang tao ko
Kasi naman yung girl you're going out with. Diba? Kaya nga ready ka agad to get to that commitment. I mean, good naman din yun. Okay, next.
Can a mutually agreed situationship really work, or does the built-in impermanence always makes it temporary?
Situationships are good until one starts to expect.
So kung pareho kayong alam niyo lang na temporary, ewan ko, hindi talaga
Hindi
kasi
siya
kapang
actually
ganyan
temporary. Okay, when are situationships good? So, I had a conversation with my aunt na parang medyo older na siya and takot siya to get into a relationship. Basta.
Wala, parang alam ko.
Okay pa kanina may nun dati. Anyway, so sabi niya, Liz, parang, you know, I wanna go out, I just wanna have fun, pero natatakot siya na parang pag lumabas siya and she puts herself out there, she's going to get hurt. Ayun din, meron akong kaibigan ngayon, I always tell her this.
Sino? Okay.
So I tell her, ano ka ba? Just go out, have fun. You don't need to be committed to anyone. You know, you meet a guy, you click, then, you know, you're vibing.
Siguro kasi puro matatanda yung example mo Siyempre, kapag matanda na, iba yung
Ba't sino ba nagsasabi yung situationship pang bata lang?
Hindi, ang sinasabi ko lang, the more we get older, the more we mature, nag-iiba na rin yung ano natin. Sino bang gusto mo 60 ka na, putya, kubo ka pa rin kung kanino dyan.
Yan nga yung okay. Oh my God, ang judgmental mo
Sinasabi ko lang, hindi lahat okay yun. Siyempre, ikaw, especially...
Hindi, yun nga yung sinasabi ko, mali yan. Pwede ka
makipag-fubo
kahit matanda ka na. Mas dapat ka nga makipag-fubo kahit matanda ka na kasi nga wala ka nang, you don't owe it to anyone.
Dinuduro mo akong ganyan?
Oo.
Hindi ganon?
Okay. You don't owe it to anyone. Diba? You don't owe anyone any
explanation. Ang sinasabi ko lang, iba yung mindset ng mga mas matatanda sa atin.
Di rin. Sila kasi yung mas inexperience. Sila yung mas natatakot kasi feeling nila if they put themselves out there, they have to commit to the person that they will go out with.
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko.
Huh?
Yun nga yung sinasabi ko.
They
have that mindset.
So, exactly. So, hindi mo ko pinatapos. Kaya sinasabi ko na okay lang na nasa situationship. The situationship status is good. Especially for older women who feels they are compelled or they need to be in a relationship.
Sinabi ko ba it's bad?
Kasi sinagot mo ako agad
Ano sinagot ko?
Tag-cut ka sa akin
Hindi, ano sinabi ko?
Ewan ko sa'yo.
Tamo, di mo.
You were going against what I was saying.
No, I wasn't. I was just saying na siguro it's harder. I think that's what I said. I think it's harder for older people to see it that way. I never said it's wrong. I'm just saying it's harder.
O kaya nga ako nagbibigay ng example eh.
O kaya nga.
O so bakit mo ako kinokontra?
Hindi kita kinokontra.
Eh sinasagot ko yung tanong eh. Ba't mo kinat?
Hindi kita kinat. Sinasabi ko lang na it's harder. Ayaw mo nun? Ang hirap naman.
That was exactly my point. And you're...
Hindi kasi kung hindi ako magsalita, di talk shit lang siya. At least ito, sheets. Madaming inputs.
Hindi ko na talaga tapos yung sinasabi ko. Pero nag-gets yun ba yun?
Gets po namin yun, Teacher Liza.
Ang taas ng energy niya today.
Kasi
Ang dami
naka-idlip
niyang
ako.
gusto i-say. Okay, sige.
Naka-idlip kasi ako.
Pero yun nga. So, situationship, gusto ko lang isarado tong sinabi ko, okay? Situationships are actually good if you just wanna test it out. Na dapat, yun nga, sabi ko nga sa inyo, I'm even advising this to more matured women that I know na natatakot to go out and put themselves out there, makipag-date. Kasi feeling nila, makipag-date lang sila, hihingi na ng commitment sa kanila. So, sinasabi ko sa kanila...
Or sila nga mismo yung gusto ng commitment.
Ha?
Or sila mismo yung may gusto ng
Ayaw
commitment.
nga nila. Siningitan mo na naman ako.
Kasi wala akong masyado experience sa dating eh.
Oh, kaya nga. So, listen and learn.
Para saan pa yung matututunan ko? Hindi naman makakapag-date.
Gusto mo? Gusto mo makapag-date?
Hindi. So, ayaw ko makinig.
Oh my goodness. Ayaw mo nun, proud ka? Yung mga bad dating experiences na pagdaanan ko, may katuturan ngayon kasi I can see it from, a perspective na I've experienced this, so I don't want you guys to experience that kasi you should know better na.
It's nice to experience things too. Kahit bad.
Gusto mo makapag-date?
Sila.
Ano?
Sila. Sabi mo kasi dahil ayaw mo ma-experience nila yung bad stuff.
Pero hindi nga, okay. If I will give you a free pass, would you want to...
Free pass? Ay, naku putya, nasa bahay lang ako maglalaro.
No, but if you're given a free pass, would you be curious to date?
No, honestly, especially now. No, seriously, parang, wala, sobrang sakto na ako sa buhay ko. Pag binigyan mo ang free pass na gawin ko kahit sa isang buong araw, nasa bahay lang ako, maglalaro, manood ng TV ko, anong normal lang ginagawa ko?
Okay. Should sexual communication be different in a casual relationship? It shouldn't be. Kasi, parehong emotional investment niyo nilalagay niyo doon. Well, it depends kung ano din. Depende talaga sa usapan niyo. Pero kasi, di ba, oh my God, this happened to me. Grabe, dami ko talaga pinagdaanan. Okay, so there was a point in my life.
Kaya niya ito alone lang, no? Iglip lang ako, ito kong konti.
Ano ba ang topic na to? I can so relate.
Sige, go.
Okay, so, I just ended the relationship with my ex-boyfriend. Pero, I was still, parang hindi pa ako makaget over. Tapos, it took me like 2 years to completely get over.
Sinta.
Eh di si Okay. So, it took me 2 years to completely get over. Tapos,
Nanglagay na yun.
oo. Tapos, in order for me to still parang have this feeling na parang pwede pa maging kami, ganon, I was hanging out with his mom. Like, mommy niya yung kasama ko, susunduin ko, punta kami sa mall, magbabonding kami together. So, syempre, boto siya sa akin, di ba? So, sinusumbong niya sa akin pag lumalabas tong guy na to with another girl.
Ano ko naging kayo ni ma'am?
Ano ba yung mga tanong ni Ice? Tapos,
Ang hirap na hindi ako nakaka-relate sa topic.
one time, we had sex. Itong guy na
ma'am?
Oh my God!
Love! Oh my God! Si Ice! Nung guy, syempre.
Malay mo.
Nagkaabutan kami, nakita niya ako, ganyan. Tapos we ended up having sex. Tapos, God, I felt so used yung gano'n. Yung after the sex, tayo siya agad. Tapos sabi niya, oh, no strings attached ha. Andun ka, tapos sarang, bakit ko ba ito ginawa? Oh my God, like, that happens. So, may ganun silang nagkakaroon sila ng ganong, license to not commit, ang tawag doon? To detach themselves when it's convenient.
Yeah.
What are the signs that it's time to walk away from a situationship, even if it's fun or comfortable, that you can no longer make the situationship a real relationship?
Siguro when it doesn't really align with what you want in your life. Darating sa point na you would want something more. And if you feel like this person, whether it's super fun to be, it's a super fun experience with this person, cannot give you what you want na to further the relationship, then?
Or siguro yung anxiety mo, mas nag-supersede na siya kaysa dun sa
Good times.
good times. Yung ano mo na parang, okay, I'm still having fun. Tapos, when you want to define the relationship already, and you're ready to take it, na you're ready to accept na ano ba tayo or hindi. Tapos nagkaroon kayo ng ganong conversations and he said na, okay, pwede maging tayo. Tapos hindi pa rin siya nangyari. Nothing changed. So I think it's time to walk away. Kasi you already did the the DTR 'di ba, moment. Tapos nag-agree kayo na, I think we can be together. Tapos biglang the next day, ganun pa rin. So, walk away ka na kasi you're just convincing yourself. This person is going to eventually see that in you. Ako, ganun ako before. Like, parang, makikita niya rin ako na I'm worthy of the love. Like, may makikita niya that, I'm the perfect girl for him.
Hindi kita ma-imagine ganyan.
Yeah, I was there a lot of times.
Hindi kita ma-imagine ganyan.
Pero grabe rin yung arc ko talaga. Nanggaling ako dun sa ganon. Napunta ako dun sa ako yung gumagawa nung I'm the one leave. Ako yung tumatayo after sex. Aalis. Ako yung parang I'm the
visuals ko ikaw tumatayo after sex.
After sex. As in talagang leave.
May tumatayo.
Tapos may mga times na, oh my God, Tapos may mga times talaga na na ako yung parang I really don't care. Like, parang I'm not ready for a relationship. And then, ano ba? I just wanna know, tayo ba or hindi? Hindi. You wanna get into pie pants? Di ba you're able to do it? You're able to do that.
Also, I have a question. So, parang we kind of started in a situationship.
Yeah.
Right? So, what made you change?
What made me change? Malaking bagay si Amara. Kasi nakita ko how you were with her. Kasi actually, ang bala ko talaga doon is to really to have closure. That was exactly what I had in mind. Like, okay, magkikita kami nito, I'll get to know him. Well, her pa nun, kasi nga, I didn't know he was a trans man. I'll get to know her again. This is the one thing that hindi ko nasara. Parang ayoko ng what if sa buhay. Sige, sara ko tong chapter na to ng buhay ko. Things are, you're such an amazing person. And every time I wake up, I'm reminded that even if the situation seems complicated, why do I feel security? Why am I reminded every day that I'm making the right choice by being with you?
Because of my good looks and charming personality.
No, because you seem to just really not even say things that I expect to hear. It's more like you created a safe space for me to be myself. And yung mga times where I would always fall into that situationship na, ayaw mo na? Edi alis na ako. As in talagang I would really threaten to leave. I would just, ayaw mo, wag mo. Bahala ka. Yun. I'm all that. He would always really, okay, I know that's just your defenses. I'm just gonna be here just waiting for you. So, yeah.
You're so lucky, girl.
Really? Okay, ayun na. Grabe. Relate ako dito sa topic na to,
Kaya mo ikaw lang kahit nagbanyo ako. Wala problema.
Talaga, wala ka talaga situationship dati?
Hindi talaga ako makaisip. Ang pinaka-feeling ko malapit situation ko. Kaya nga marami akong na-exan dahil kay Ing.
So
kaya noong una, kasi nawala rin sa isip ko. Tapos biglang, etong part na to, yung shows up late or cancels the last minute, ko, okay, I was in a situationship. So, kaya marami ako na-check.
So, first time mo lang talaga na-experience yun, girl, na yung ganun.
Mm-mm.
Grabe, no? Swerte mo naman.
So, ano bang take-away ko dito? Wala ko masyadong parang wala ko masyadong ambag dito.
Wala ka man lang, take away kahit na hindi mo experience.
Hindi, na-experience ko naman siya parang feeling ko once. Siguro ako talaga yung tipo ng tao na dapat meron akong end goal sa sitwasyon ko. If feeling ko hindi mo binibigay sa akin yung worthy of what I should have, I can't stay.
Bakit?
Because I know my worth. I know what I can do. I know what I can give.
Well, I know my worth now.
Good for you, finally.
Yeah, so siguro, okay, like yun nga parang it's nice to have this kind of perspective, no? Yung meron kang eyes who's like really sure of himself, understands his worth, alam niya kung anong gusto niya at hindi, ano yung that he can actually fully commit to someone na gusto niya, or pwede rin siya mag-walk away easily. So, yun yung goal natin, di ba? Once we mature, once we understand who we are, what we want in life, and ano yung mga bagay na makakapag-enhance pa ng ano natin, ng life natin by being with someone. Ang sarap nung goal na yon. Ang sarap makarating doon. But for you guys na, kung nakaka-relate kayo sa experience ko before na I've been in a number of situationships with different people because of varying reasons. But ultimately, there's something in me na hindi pa buo. I was very afraid of rejection. And feeling ko, yung sa happiness ko, ma-achieve ko siya dahil ibibigay ng ibang tao. So, ang talagang natutunan ko by being with Ice is he really taught me na I have to find my own happiness first. Kasi pag buo ako, pag kumpleto ako, pag masaya ako dahil sa ibang tao,
yes,
mas lalo kang makakapagbigay ng 100% mo. Kasi you won't feel that you're shortchanged every time you're giving something up. So, sa mga tao dyan, sa mga talk cheaters natin, or kung sino man nanonood, na you're in these situations, hindi mali to give yourself that worth. You're worthy of being loved in full. Na hindi lang dahil natatakot ka na parang ito na lang taong makakapagbigay sa akin ng love na hinahanap ko eh. No, you will always find that person who will make you feel that you are enough.
And you will find
Even
the love
more
you
than
deserve,
enough.
honestly.
Yes,
So,
yes.
if you don't feel, if hindi mo ibibigay sa sarili mo yung love na dine-deserve ng sarili mo, you can't expect other people to give that to you.
And you'll know it pag dumating siya eh. Kasi, ayoko rin naman i-question yung mga relationships na hindi lang siguro yung partner mo kung nasaan kayo, and the person is also going through his or her own trauma, kaya hindi siya makapag-fully commit. Yun, malalaman mo yun within the relationship. Pero, while in the relationship, pag nakikita mo na parang, wait lang, okay, andito naman ako, pinaparamdam ako naman sa kanya na I will be here for him, that these is something that we can do together. Tapos, hindi po pa rin nakukuha yung, hindi pa rin siya bumabalik sa'yo. Yung ini-invest mo emotionally, hindi siya bumabalik sa'yo in the way you expect. Then maybe it's time to go and walk away.
So, thank you very much, guys. But before we end our podcast, gusto ko lang pong paalalahanan ang mga talk sheeters, na ending a situationship is still ending a relationship.
Yes. Kasi kahit situationship siya, it still hurts. Masakit pa rin yun eh. Informal man yan or undefined. Yung feelings na yun, totoo yun eh.
Tama. So, never invalidate your feelings at huwag niyo sasabihin, we were never a real couple naman eh, or acting lang ako eh. Don't ever say that, okay? Huwag niyo hahayaang may ibang magsabi sa inyo na, ito sa situationship.
And even if the situationship is casual, respect and kindness should be the standard in any relationship.
Tama! Tama yan! Okay. Thank you, Talk Sheeters, for overcompensating. Inaantok talaga for some weird reason.
Okay.
Thank you for joining us under the sheets tonight, Talk Sheeters. And huwag niyo pong kakalimutan na mag-like, mag-follow, mag-subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Our podcast is also available on Spotify, so
What?
make sure to follow us there and leave a comment or message kung meron kayong gustong topic na mapag-usapan natin dito sa Talk Sheets.
Yeah, so thank you guys. This is Talk Sheets with Ice and Liza, where we strip down and bear it all under the cover.
So don't hold back, just Talk Sheets.